This is well fitted, and this is the problem. Not full pressure.
Growing up is an awkward adventure, but with a little understanding, we can help each other get to the rough spot. Hey, please don't make a big deal out of this.